Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the KYB gas shock absorbers for a 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. So if you're looking to replace your shocks, I hope this information will be helpful. So this is how the actual product looks like. As you can see, the shocks are black, and the ones for the rear, the box is color red, and for the front it's pink. You have a label here which says it's made in Japan. There you go. I'm showing you this because there are fake KYBs in the market that have a different color, so be aware of that when you're purchasing. Inside the box, you should also see an instruction manual and some additional nuts. So I got a pair of the rear shocks in Lazada for 2,974. So meaning dalawang piraso na yun. And then the front, I got it from Shopee for 5,953. Again, for 2 pieces na siya. So the total cost for the shocks is 8,927. Now it's very cheap because I purchased this during the Lazada sale. If you're gonna try to look for the shocks right now, the price might be a little bit higher. So now you're probably asking, do I have other options? And the answer is yes, of course. It really depends on your budget. If you're looking for cheaper ones, there's Nitrotech shocks. If you have the budget, you can go with coilovers. And of course, if you want to go all out, you can get air suspensions. But if you're looking for the mid-range quality, then I'd really recommend KYB because it's made in Japan. And finally, before purchasing, ask yourself the following questions. Is my ride starting to get bumpy? Does it bottom out? Are there steering wheel problems or fluid leaks? If your answer is yes, especially to the first two, then it's probably time to replace your shocks. I also wanted to add that if you're replacing shocks, you should replace them in pair, meaning if one of your shocks in the front is starting to wear off, you should replace the other side as well. Guys, ito nga pala si Roger. Isa sa mga pinakamalupit na mekaniko sa Commonwealth. Kaya pag may kailangan kayo, punta lang kayo sa Richmart, dun siya matatagpuan. So here you can see that Roger had to remove the tires to install the front shocks. While for the rear shocks, he didn't have to. He just simply installed it at the back. I decided to go for a quick ride to test it out. So Roger is finally done installing the new KYB shocks. So quickly I can feel that the car is more responsive when it comes to bumps on the road. It's a bit stiff, but that should be expected because it's new. It should get a little bit softer after some time. So there you have it, guys. The KYB shocks have been installed. You can expect it to last from anywhere from 5 to 10 years depending on your usage. Personally, before I changed mine, the stocks lasted for I think 6 years. By the way, here's the breakdown for replacing the shocks. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I hope the information you found here would be useful. If you have any questions or comments, just put them below and I'll try to respond to each. Thank you again and see you in my next videos.